Being broke isn't just about how much money you make, it's about how you think about money and the habits you build around it. Wealth starts with mindset, and if you're stuck in the broke mentality, you'll never escape the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Here are 10 money habits that are keeping you broke and how to break free. Spending every dollar you earn. If your income increases but your spending rises just as fast, you'll never build wealth. Rich people invest first, then spend what's left. Broke people spend first and try to save what's left over, which is usually nothing. Ignoring your credit score. Your credit score affects loans, car insurance, rental applications, and even job opportunities. If you don't build and maintain good credit, you're making life more expensive, only relying on one source of income. If you only have a paycheck and no side income, you're one emergency away from financial disaster. The wealthy have multiple income streams, even if they start small, buying things to impress others. The broke mentality chases status symbols, cars, clothes, or luxury items before building financial security. Rich people buy assets, broke people buy liabilities, living without a budget. If you don't track where your money is going, you'll always feel like you never have enough. Even a simple plan for spending and investing can change everything, thinking small instead of long term. If your only financial goal is just getting by, you'll stay stuck. The rich think in decades, the broke think in paychecks, paying high-interest debt forever. If you're only making minimum payments on credit cards, you're throwing away money and interest that could be used to invest and grow wealth. Not investing because you think it's too risky. Keeping all your money in a savings account guarantees you'll lose to inflation. Smart investing, stocks, real estate, or a business is how wealth is built. Making emotional money decisions. Whether it's impulse spending, fear-based investing, or lifestyle inflation, letting emotions drive financial choices is a guaranteed way to stay broke. Blaming others instead of taking control. If you think the economy, the government, or bad luck is the reason you're broke, you'll never change your financial future. The wealthy take responsibility and find solutions, not excuses. Breaking out of the broke mentality starts with changing these habits, shifting from spending to investing, consuming to creating, and short-term thinking to long-term strategy. Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about keeping and growing it.